Hey there, dinosaur enthusiasts. Welcome to our Jurassic adventure. Let's explore one of the biggest mysteries in a flash. Ever wondered what was the biggest sneeze a dinosaur ever had? While we can't know for sure, scientific speculation points to the giant, long-necked sauropods like the Dinosaurs. Imagine a creature over 35 meters long letting out a sneeze. Scientists believe their complex nasal passages could have made sneezes incredibly powerful. The sheer volume of air expelled could have created a force comparable to a small hurricane, potentially launching dust and debris for meters around. This wasn't just a simple achoo. It would have been a thunderous, ground-shaking event. It's a fun trivia highlight to think about, a truly dramatic and powerful moment from the prehistoric world. That's a quick tour of a fascinating dino-sized sneeze. Stay tuned for more dino-filled fun!